Sick of restrictive diets? You're not alone. Hey everyone, let's face it, diets stink. Counting calories, cutting out all your favorite foods, it's enough to make anyone want to give up. But what if I told you there were ways to lose weight that were actually fun and sustainable? Buckle up, because we're about to reveal 3 science-backed hacks that will have you shedding pounds and feeling fantastic. Did you know that including chili peppers in your diet can actually boost your metabolism? Capsaicin, the compound that makes peppers spicy, turns up the heat in your body, causing you to burn more calories. Plus, spices add tons of flavor to your food, making it easier to ditch sugary sauces and dressings. Now, I'm not saying you have to drown everything in sriracha, but incorporating a sprinkle of chili flakes or a dash of cayenne pepper can make a big difference. Plus, it's way more fun than plain chicken breast, am I right? Ever heard the saying, beauty sleep? Well, it turns out there's some truth to it. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and less leptin, the hormone that signals fullness. This can lead to increased cravings and overeating. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. You'll not only feel more energized, but you might also find it easier to manage your weight. Plus, who doesn't love a good night's sleep? Forget the dreaded treadmill. Find an activity you actually enjoy, whether it's dancing, rock climbing, or joining a kickball league. When exercise feels like fun, you're more likely to stick with it. Plus, you'll be burning calories without even realizing it. So there you have it. Ditch the boring diets and embrace these simple hacks. Remember, consistency is key. By making small changes, you can reach your goals and feel amazing in the process. Now get out there and spice up your life. Like this video, subscribe for more fitness hacks.